Well, hello and welcome to GeoSnippits. I'm Headhardhat. For the next few minutes, we're going to give you some information and tidbits about the game, the sport, yes, the obsession, known as geocaching. In today's episode, we're trying to find a geocache, and I'm having some difficulty. My GPS unit just can't seem to find ground zero. I'll come near it, and suddenly it'll pop 10-15 feet out of the way. It's making finding this particular geocache extremely difficult. So what we're going to go over today is triangulation. I have searched far and wide. I've looked everywhere I possibly can, and just can't seem to find it. Let's try something called triangulation and see if we can find the geocache. Let's get started now. Okay, let's get started with this triangulation experiment. We're going to use this big double-sided ammo box for our geocache. Then we're going to use this to mark it. Let's get going. Okay, how triangulation works is you use two separate right angles to find a fixed point in the center. We're about 30 feet from what we put ground zero. In other words, when we're walking, the GPS unit is going to take us straight to where that flag is. But if you're in an area where there's a lot of foliage or a lot of tree cover, that area can move around. If you use two angles, that helps you zero in ground zero. Let's do that other angle now. Okay, we've got our pink line that's 30 feet that way, where we also suspect where ground zero is. We have a green line, which is another 90 degree or a right angle going the other way. Both are getting us more accurate results of where ground zero should be. That's triangulation. So there you have it. This is our experimentation to show you how triangulation works. We have one angle saying this is ground point zero. We have another angle saying this is ground point zero. Here we are with the geocache. Doesn't work every time, especially if you're in extremely heavy foliage, but this is your best bet for finding geocaches in heavily wooded areas. Well, folks, as you can see, we finally found that geocache. This just only goes to show you how triangulation can help you. We went off 30 to 40 feet in two different directions using the GPS unit to find ground zero. Why was it so difficult? Because of all the foliage of the trees. They're going to interfere with a GPS signal. So when you're out either in the urban city with tall buildings or out in the woods, using triangulation will help you get that geocache. Well, we hope you enjoyed this episode of GeoSnippets for Michigan Magazine Television, and come back real soon where you get even more interesting information and tidbits about the game, the sport, yes, the obsession, known as geocaching. I'm Headhardhat for GeoSnippets, saying we hope to see you out on the trails real soon. Bye-bye, folks. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, to do our triangulation experiment, we're going to use this large double-sided ammo box as our geocache. Then we're going to use this.
Oh my god! You're supposed to catch it.
You're supposed to. Let's try that again, shall we?
Okay, I'll just keep it on.